Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with gear and positioning. Choose a one-handed stun weapon and light armor to keep mobility high. Once equipped, place yourself at about 10 to 12 meters and test her initial charge. Use a single interrupt rune as you bait that first lunge, dodge half a second early to avoid the trailing swipe, then close in for a quick stun. You want to trade hits on your terms, so manage stamina and use a healing potion only after you confirm the second combo. Once you reach mid-fight, focus on pattern recognition. Her cycle is A, B, C, charge, ground, slam, spin finisher. After the ground slam B, there's a roughly 2-second stun window. Make that your heavy attack and interrupt moment. Make sure to maintain a 30% health cushion by using healing only when safe, and sip stamina flasks when depletion hits 40%. Also swap to ranged bait if you need to reset her aggression. That keeps pressure while you recover. For the final kill, time a damage buff with her vulnerability phase and land a 3-hit combo to burst her down. If she enters in rage and starts relentless attacks, immediately create distance and use an interrupt rune to reset her AI that pauses the pressure. Make sure to reposition to higher ground if you get cornered. She has limited vertical tracking. If anything goes wrong, pull back, heal, and re-engage using the same bait-dodge-stun rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.